Today I'm going to show you guys how to louver sheet metal with your punch tool. It's going to be very easy, very simple, and there is a small tip at the end that can cause a lot or help prevent a lot of confusion. So if you want to just check it out or watch the entire video, as it's very helpful and it's going to make the punch tool easy and useful for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So to start our punch tool, we're going to have to obviously sketch a piece of sheet metal first. So we're going to just do a quick piece of sheet metal here. Just going to do a very basic square. We're going to make it symmetric because it's always the best way. I'm going to make it 700 by 700. This is obviously going to simulate a sheet metal door or a fender or whichever you would need to put louvers into, or any sort of punch shape into. So now we have our sheet metal. We're going to say application, sheet metal, driving surface. I'm going to click on the sheet, 2 millimeters. Yes. Okay, very easy. Now we need to create our punch. So I'm going to go over to my punch tool. I've saved it as punch tool louver, as you can see there. It's just a new part, standard part. We're going to go sketch. Again, we've got to make it center lines so that we can draw it symmetrical. We are going to go 100 by 100. Okay, we are going to extrude this by 10. This doesn't really make a difference what the thickness is. I just need a surface, but I'm just going to go with 10 for now. Now we're going to extrude our louver, so, or the negative of our louver, put it that way. We're going to go center line, sorry. Okay, we're going to go 50. We're going to go 20. We're going to say cool. We are going to say extrude. We're going to go 15. Okay, we're going to say okay. And remove our datum planes. We're going to go round. We're going to select control, select, control, select. I'm going to drag this down to 10. I'm going to say okay. We're just going to change this back. I just want to change this back to say 11. That louver is way too high. Okay, now we can add our rounds at the bottom sections here. Control, next one, control, next one. We can always drag those out a little bit bigger. That. Say okay. Okay, there's our punch tool. We can always add a bit of rounds there if we want to, just to make it more even. Okay, like that. It does actually look a lot better. Okay, so now we say save. Okay, louver tool. Okay. We're going to go back to our window. We're going to go to our part. Okay, now we are going to say punch tool, punch form tool. Okay, now obviously I've tested this before I've done it, so it says there, but all you're going to do is you're going to say open. You're going to go select your part that you want, say open. Now you're going to just constrain it the same as you would in the assembly, but the top of this, meaning the back of your plate, of your punch you need to reference on the back of your sheet metal. Then we're going to reference this one to this side, just like you would in your assembly systems. We're going to go placement there. We're going to go coincident. Okay, as you can see, there it is there. New constraint again. We're going to select this surface, select that surface, and we're going to say cool. Now we're going to go options. You are going to select the face that you want removed. So exclude punch model surfaces, click on that face there. Okay, then we're going to say okay. Okay, now this, if this happens, all you do, just bear with me, you say cancel. Okay, you say resume. See this little one, yeah, flip the punching direction. Okay, we say click, we say okay, and there is your louver. Okay, now obviously if you want to change this louver, okay, all we do is we go to our other part, we go to our punch tool, we say sketch extrude, okay, edit definition, say I want to make this longer now, say I want this 65, okay, and I want this say 15, okay, we say okay, as you can see there it's changed. Okay, we say save, say okay, we go back to our sheet metal, we go edit, regenerate, and as you see there, it changed the tool again. So you don't have to create a whole new tool, you just have to do that. Okay, now again, if I now want more than one louver, what do we do if we want multiple units of one thing? As per always, we pattern. So what do? We click form, we go insert, edit, sorry, not insert, pattern, okay, we say direction, okay, we click on this one here, okay, we say flip, we make it 100 because our punch tool is 100. Look, it doesn't really matter, but you'll see it's going to be nice and symmetric now if I do that. Symmetrical, it'll be nicely shaped. Then we're going to go 7 because I made this 700 by 700 and the block's 100 by 100, and say okay. There's your louvers there. Okay, now, okay, they're too far apart. So same as our usual, edit definition, 50. We're going to double this to 14. We're going to say enter. We're going to say okay. And as you can see, they're better. Now, okay, now this one needs to be closer here. Okay, so all we do is we go back in here, form, edit definition. Okay, we go placement. We find that surface that we constrained, we go offset, we drag it down to say 25, we'll make it 25, okay, enter, say okay, and watch, as there are the louvers. Okay, now again, I need this whole sheet full of louvers. What do? I'm not going to be able to pattern that pattern. What we're going to have to do is we're going to say new form tool. We're going to say restrain. We're going to go bottom of the sheet again. We're going to click here. We're going to go, now we know the other one was 100, so we click there. We go placement as we did on the other one. We go 100. Okay. We go new constraint, click there, click there, offset 25, and we say okay. Now again, see there, wrong again, because what did we not do? We did not select the surface. So edit definition, options, select the face, say okay. Then again, all we do is we select that one, we say pattern, direction, this direction, say flip, say 14, and we say reference. Sorry, I thought it was going to reference the one, but it's not. Say okay, and there's your louver. And you carry on just doing that until you've reached that. Otherwise, only other way to do it is if you delete this and we change this pattern. So we're going to change the direction to this one. Okay, we're going to have the same amount. Now again, we just have to change our offset on our punch tool because it's going to stick out on the other side as well. Watch. Okay. Oh, never mind. This one is right. Okay. So again, it won't let you pattern this pattern. So if I go edit, it won't let me pattern. So unfortunately, you have to do row for row for row for row. Unless you make a tool. So what we can do is, so instead of doing that, delete pattern. So what we can do is we can go window, we can go punch tool, we can go sketch here, we can say edit definition. Okay, we can make this now 700. Okay, 700 long. Say okay. Sorry, edit definition. Just got to change this symmetrical. It can't be symmetrical because we're trying to create a different tool here now. So just delete that. We're going to make that 50. Okay, say okay. Now there's our louver. Sorry, wrong extrude. We're going to click extrude. We're going to click pattern. We're going to click direction. This one. Other way. 7 at 100. And we say okay. Now we're going to pattern the rest. We're going to say round 1 pattern, should pick up the reference. Okay, round 2 pattern, reference, and round 3 pattern, reference. So okay, as long as you're patterning the first one, the rest will follow the feature. Okay, so now we say save. Okay, we can now go punch tool. Okay, we go edit, regenerate. There you've got that now. Now all you have to do is go back to your form tool, edit definition, go back to your options, individual surface, and just select the other ones as well while holding control. Okay, say okay, and as you can see, there's that now. Now all we have to do is we pattern this now. So now we go edit, form, edit, pattern. We say direction. We click on this face here. We say reverse. We are going to say 50, and we are going to say 14, and we're going to say okay. And now you will see in a second that it is louvers right through. And that is how you do multiple louvers in multiple punches easily. So that is your punch tool, your punch form tool feature. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's not as easy as the beginners ones, but this is obviously where it gets a little bit more advanced. And then obviously if you do not want this hole, you do not select it in the other feature. So if we go form here, edit definition, and we go options, we remove this, we say okay, and once it regenerates, you'll see it won't be a louver, open louver, it will be just a punched shape. So that just depends on you. That's a small difference. So if you go this side now, you'll see there's no openings. So there's no openings, it's just solid. Okay, but obviously this was for this, the main reason for this video was for louvers, and obviously louvers are open. So all we do is reselect it and all of them will be open again. So we just undo it and it will be back to having open louvers. And just remember the direction of your punch, because that can really mess you around. I don't want to delete. That can really mess you around. So just remember, if you go edit definition, remember this one here, because if you have it the wrong way, it's not going to work. Okay, it's going to give you an error, and then you guys are not going to be sure how to do it or what to do. And it's such a simple click that you need to do to make this easier than it looks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it's helpful. Thanks guys. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one guys.